Hey everyone, this is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Just wanted to give you a full flip through of the Get to Work book that I picked up from Elise Joy, the creator herself. I want to continue supporting more small business owners who are just doing it and working it, for the years and the seasons that it takes to actually produce a corporate community and paper planners. Okay, so I purchased the academic planner, of course, on discount because I wanted to see number one, the design and also the weight of the cover. Now, I purchased the black one. I think I prefer that one a little bit more, but I'm not going to go into review as of yet. So let me just do the formal flip through as I promised. So the academic planner starts in July and it goes to June of the following year. So I'm going to be using the July, August, September, October, November, and December pages to plan my evergreen content. And the January through April, I'm going to pretty much have a special project for them. But the current year, 2018, I want to use it for my spring and summer book clubs as well as my fall planning. So let me show you the cover for April. And this is for May. And last but not least, this is June's. So let's get into the June month, and I'll share with you what we do in TOCtown.com as it relates to the celebration of fatherhood, because that's our big month. That's actually the month I've decided to just do the beginning foundry, celebration of what we're doing here in our corporate community and culture. So I'm looking forward to traveling more and going out and about and around Chicago and posting some of the historical things that I find out about the city as it relates to my African, Haitian, American heritage. So of course, the front page, I'm going to start using this to stamp on it as well as use some of my stickers and other notions that I run across from other small business owners that I pick up. And there's the month at a glance, which includes the month prior and the month to come. So I've seen different directors do layouts, so I'm going to go with probably a black and white print or maybe some washi to, highlight some of the colors that I want to produce in the studio. And one thing I really love about her planner is that she does include the previous months in gray and the current month in black. So I'm a person that in case I have some notes that I need to remember for the specific week or the specific days that come up, I'll go ahead and take up all four columns, use all of these, even if it's just in relation to the week coming up, but not specifically for the date and the day that it applies to. So it makes this planner a lot more versatile for me. So it was no big issue for me to go ahead and pick it up, while she still had some in stock. So if you're listening to this and you want to go ahead and try out her planner, I suggest that you go ahead and head over to her online page. I'll go ahead and link it down below, of course. And even though it's an academic planner, it does end in July. I will be picking up another planner for the latter part of the year and into 2019. So, of course, if you've been following this channel, we're working on building a studio garden. So this is what I'm going to use this page to plan out what we're going to grow in the garden, as well as some of the things that we're going to plan as hydration and some teas that we need to use while we're traveling on the go. So I'm so glad she included some project pages and also a to-do list in the back. So I think that's about it for the flip through. This is the 2018-2019 calendar. So even though I don't have the columns, I can always go back to the previous month of July 2017 through December 2017 and use these dates in order to plan my future calendar. So if you'd like to see more of that, stay tuned to the channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to see more of the creative content that I produce in TOCtown.com. And once again, I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Until we meet again, take care.